It's that time. We have the July premium unboxing, and if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Hello people, my Phillies. It's Victoria, and if you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. I make videos about just about everything. So, also too, like, I got some skating clips that I need to edit because there's a shit ton there. And just so you all know, I passed my adult silver test. Obviously not with flying colors because I was a nervous wreck, but it's okay. I'm working on my adult gold moves in the field and the adult silver freestyle portion, kind of, you know, smoothing out the details to my program. So that'll be cool. So here we have the July premium box. It's heavy. Okay, so BoxyCharm theme for this month is status. Ooh, that's how I'm going to describe it. You should see my other video of the July base box. I'm like, oh, ooh, I don't know. So we have 6 items here, and we'll just start from the top. Oh, hey, okay, so Outre Beauty. I bought their deep conditioner spray, or the leave-in conditioner spray, I think last year. I love it. It smells amazing. My hair is soft and silky, and it almost feels like the split ends get repaired. Like, so I don't know. So I'm excited to try their shampoo and conditioner. Let's see what they say. It's $66 for this duo, by the way. So leave it up to Boxy to keep me surprised and in suspense. So this helps with the healthy scalp. There's CBD oil in this brand too, so that's what kind of attracted me to it. CBD, like, to me, helps to soothe. So that's why I kind of gravitated towards it. There's jojoba baobab. Have no idea what the hell that is, but I will Google it and pin the comment into the video. Avocado helps to tame frizz. So, okay. I have to smell it, see if it smells just like the spray, because if you've never tried their stuff, I urge you to, because their stuff just smells amazing. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Ugh, love it. It's 8.5 fluid ounces though, so this is not travel friendly, so you'll have to probably, unless you check your bag. Now if you check your bag, then yes, it is travel friendly that way. But if you're with the carry-on, sorry for you, boo-boo. You got to put them in little reusable containers or smaller containers. Such is life. Let's see what we have here. Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. Where are you? $37. This is a tinted moisturizer. 3-in-1 Tasker is a moisturizer, skin tint, and SPF 30 with hyaluronic acid. I am in Ginger 06. It's a titanium dioxide. Okay, what I would expect with Bare Minerals, very chic packaging. It's very lightweight. Complexion Rescue. Let's see if the color matches said skin. Oh, it looks like it would. Yeah, it looks like it would. I don't have a mirror. I bought a new mirror and I left it upstairs, so that's okay. It looks like it goes in pretty well, actually. Yeah, especially on my hand, like you can, yeah, where is it? It's right there. And all right, I'll give it to you. It is a perfect match. I don't know what my bottle is doing here. We got a ball of stuff coming out. Why? Let's put it on the other side. Yeah, it feels so lightweight, and honestly, it feels like moisturizer. Like, it feels really, really good. I want to say very comparable to my Laneige BB cream, and you all know that I love that BB cream. I love it. So let's get paper towel here. Let's kind of wipe the fingers off. Okay, I'm loving it. All right, this is going to be like a good box. I'm excited. All right, so this is Badass Icon. Let's see. Okay, Uoma Beauty. This is $24. A badass is simply a badass. Okay, so it's supposed to be pigmented, silky texture, and it's now 100% vegan. This is in the color Tracy. I wonder, maybe I should have brought my mirror down. It looks like it's going to be a bright hooker red, but I like the packaging. It's metal and it's really chic. Okay, that is not the color that I was expecting. In real life, honestly, it looks brown, and that is the sticker. I know we have a lip tint on from my previous video. Let's wipe that off and kind of go with the camera. Ooh. Is a deep brown, a little hint of red in it, but more brown. I don't think, maybe like a mocha type color. Ooh, it's magnetized too. Ooh. It is it goes on very smooth. It feels like there's nothing on my lips. It feels amazeballs. Like, just my lips are moisturized. They feel really good. Because of the finish and like the formula and stuff, this is not going to be a color stay type of deal, but I think for color payoff, and it looks real nice. Like I like it. All right, what we have up, we have Luxie Brand all-purpose sponge set. This is $40 for these together. I mean, they are soft. With them, there aren't any, you know, kind of like with a flat edge or anything like that. What makes you stand out? The duo-sided beauty sponge is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it on your skin. The microfiber used dry will apply your powder products smoothly, or used wet will apply your liquid products with no lines of demarcation. Okay, so I read that wrong, so apologies. All right, so there's that. Avant. I like Avant. Here's this brand here. It is the Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and an Anti-Oxidizing Cleansing Gel. It's $110 fucking dollars. $110. $110. So, mild non-drying gel eliminates excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed, with a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts. Helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritation. First step in your skincare regime. So, massage cleanser. Usually, like, I think of gel cleansers are for people with oily skin, or I have combination skin. So let's smell this. Oh, it smells really clean. Okay, I'm gonna have to give this a go tonight for my nighttime routine, and I will let you guys know how these perform. $110. Boxy, you've amazed me. You've made me happy. The last one here, this is really pretty, is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette. It is $48. Soft and romantic 18 well eyeshadow palette of neutrals. This is really pretty. I think I've had Lunar Beauty products before. This is pretty, and it comes up, I don't know if you can see it, but it comes up, it's 3D, and this is really freaking pretty. Okay, that is pretty. There are the 18 pans in here. They range from like pinks and cocos, and the entire middle section is all shimmer. I like my shimmer, so you're not getting this in a giveaway. I apologize. Let's try this white. Oh my god, they feel like butter. This pink, and then this gold. So this is So Icy, Sam, and Stark Frost. Let's see how they do. You get pretty decent color. Look at that shimmer. It is uber pretty. Really, really pretty. All right, and then let's take a look at some mattes. Let's go to Bare. Even the mattes feel silky as shit. Let's go to this Bloom For You. So this Bloom For You is like this dark eggplanty brown. And then Sakura, which is like this burnt brown here. And then we'll go in between that. So I would say not bad, given that there's no primer or anything else like that, and these are just simple swatches. These are really nice, and it's going to be one of those things where you can definitely ultra glam yourself, make it casual, simple, whatever you want to do. Yeah, I am very impressed with both of these boxes, these month's boxes. Just looking at this quickly, especially to add this $110 face wash that's on here. Let's see, 70, 85, 109, 219, 285, $325 that my premium box came out to. I'm impressed. I'm very, very happy. So what I'm going to do, ladies and gents, is I'm going to offer something as tribute for the giveaway, including, you know, if you didn't mind me poking around at these. I really have been not using a lot of face product, makeup wise. So you're going to get these two. Except for like competition or like photo shoots or something like that. But what I present to you for this month's giveaway is the Phase Zero eyeshadow palette. There are 8 neutral colors in here that you can glam up, glam down. The Kinder Beauty Kind Bronze, the Eloise Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set, and then the Luxie Duo makeup sponges. What you're going to have to do for me is for the month of July, is comment with some celebratory 4th of July emojis or icons, okay? And explain to me, what does independence feel for you? And how did you celebrate Independence Day? For example, I'm not fond of Independence Day, like because of the fireworks and stuff, but I got to spend time with my family. And independence to me means that I can express myself and I have my freedoms. Simple, short, sweet, to the point. But the giveaway is open as soon as this video is posted, okay? It ends July 31st, as usual, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the winner gets selected via, you know, kind of like how I've been doing as of late, the random comment picker on July 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I wish you well. Good luck. Bye.